Hello. Today I'm going to show you the size code, the Tyre code. Automobile tires are described by an alpha numeric code, which is generally molded into the sidewall of the tire. This code specifies the dimensions of the tire and some of its key eliminations, such as load-bearing ability and maximum speed. Sometimes the inner sidewall contains information not included on the outer sidewall and vice versa. The code has grown in complexity over the years, as is evident from the mix of metric and English units and ad hoc extension to lettering and numbers schemes. New automotive tires frequently have a rating for traction, tread wear, and temperature resistance, collectively known as the Uniform Tire Quality Grade (UTQG) ratings. Most tire sizes are given using the ISO metric sizing system. However, some pickup trucks and SUVs use a light truck numeric of light truck high floating system. So let's start. The first thing is for example, a passenger's car tire P, the nominal width of the tire in millimeters, then a slash, then a ratio of height to width, aspect ratio, then a radial, the type of the tire, in this case it's a R, radial rim, and after this the rim diameter code. This is what it is. And after that, backspace, load index, and speed symbol. And maybe if you have an snow condition car rim, that means several snow conditional like M plus us on the next thing. Then you can see what these tire dimensions are. This is the thing you have to look, and then your tires will match. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.